What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a long time I haven't posted the video, but given this current circumstance, what's going on, everybody's kind of racing and fighting over like toilet paper and shortage of hand sanitizer. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to make hand sanitizer at home. Just about three or four ingredients. Fairly easy. This is actually a used hand sanitizer bottle. Obviously, as you can probably see there, running low. So all you need is aloe vera. This is gel basically for sunburn in case you go to the beach and you get over burned. You also need alcohol. This is rubbing alcohol. It's available at any grocery store, CVS or Giant. And basically just those two. But if you want it to smell good, you can add your preferred like cologne or perfume. It all depends. That's just to make it smell good. So yeah, let's get right to it and I'll show you guys how to do this. Two ingredients that you guys need right here. So I made hand sanitizer for the car. You can probably see it right there. Zoom, focus, there you go, perfect. So I made this one for the car. This is a reusable bottle. This was almost done. I showed you guys a minute ago. And this one is for the house. So we're gonna go and test. I'm gonna show you exactly what it's like, exactly on a hand sanitizer. Moment of truth. So this one is the same thing. There you go. Smells so good. It smells like alcohol. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. My final product right here, this is going right back in the car. As you could probably see, it looks exactly like the original hand sanitizer. This is actually homemade. Anyways, if you do like that video, make sure you press the like. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. And more videos are coming soon. Thanks. Peace.